From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
सुदेश वर्मा, रतन शारदा, शाजिया एलमी, सुभाष झा, महंत परमहंस दास, Ravi Srivastava, Shailesh Pandey and Ketan Vaidya. Sudesh, I want to start with you. This full video is spine chilling and it puts out some new facts. Firstly, it shows that the policeman on the left is holding up his phone and recording a video. This is not something we had seen before. 26 seconds into the video, there are 3 policemen watching. The policeman pulls out his phone and starts recording a video. And there it is. I want a national debate now. The problem in our country is you look at things in terms of political convenience, this, that, NCP, Congress, I don't give a damn. I have a picture of a policeman recording a murder on camera. Sudesh, let's re-begin, let's restart the Palghar debate all over again after this video. Sudesh.
Arnab, I saw this video once on your channel. After that, I'm not able to watch it because it is so shameful that we as society, we have failed. We should be ashamed of ourselves. You know, a person is asking for his life and the policeman could not do anything. In any circumstances, they could have fired in the air. They could have prevented, but they become an accomplice and they have actually should be held responsible for this murder. And broad daylight, everything is happening. And after that, you are not able to find anyone guilty. You are not able to hold anybody to account.
Yeah, nobody.
I tell you, Arnab, if anything like this would have happened with a Muslim person like Maulana or a Christian padri like priest, the whole country would have been in fire.
Mr. Verma, don't make a wrong statement.
Listen to me, Srivastava. Don't make politics of what I'm saying. I am talking with full heart and emotion. Listen to me. I'm not interested in your crap, okay? What happened to Akhlaq? What happened to Akhlaq? The lynching was bad, but the whole country rose. The India Intolerant Brigade. What happened to them? What happened to the award Wapsi gang? Tell me that. And not a single voice on this. Not a single voice against this. Because they are sadhus. They belong to Hindus. What is happening there is happening to Arnab also. Not a single media house is speaking against what is happening with Republic. The same thing, the same criminal conspiracy which we see there, we see in every part of the country who is talking about nationalism.
And ladies and gentlemen,
interest. You should come across as a genuine
Ravi,
person and condemn this incident the way you did any other incident.
Ravi, I now invite Ravi, be sensitive. I would now like to invite, मैं चाहूँगा कि महंत परमहंस दास जी जो हमारे साथ हैं, संत तपस्वी छावनी योद्धा से इस वक्त लाइव हैं. आई विल ट्रांसलेट इट. वो हिंदी में बोलेंगे और इनके साथ डिबेट में होंगे दूसरी तरफ से शिवसेना के शैलेश पांडे. महंत परमहंस दास जी, पूरा वीडियो अभी सबके समक्ष है. ये मेरा अंग्रेज़ी प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, आप हिंदी में बोलिए, मैं ट्रांसलेट कर दूंगा. जैसे आपको पता है आजकल मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है. सवाल ये, अगर इस वीडियो को देखें तो आपको साफ दिखाई दे रहा है कि ये जो पूरी वीडियो निकली है, इसमें जब ये लोग वहाँ पे उपस्थित थे साधु, ये मॉब उनके तरफ दौड़ रही है, पुलिस उनके तरफ देख रही है और वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रही है. जो वर्दी में लोग थे जिनको रक्षक होना चाहिए था वो भक्षक बन गए. और जब रॉड के साथ अटैक करना शुरू किया तो वीडियो में ये भी दिख रहा है कि जो हमारे 70 साल के कल्पवृक्ष गिरी जी दौड़ते हुए उस वक्त पुलिस वालों की तरफ जाते हैं, कहते हैं मुझे बचाओ, तो एक पुलिस वाला लात मारता है उनको और धकेलता है। अब तक पुलिस वालों ने कहा था कि देखिए हमसे जो कर सकते थे जो हमने किया, मगर आज दिख रहा है कि नहीं, पुलिस वाले इस षड्यंत्र में शामिल थे। ये कहीं सुनी बात नहीं है महान जी, ये प्रूफ है, ये वीडियो में दिख रहा है। आप इसमें हमारे जो शिवसेना के शैलेश पांडे उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल आदरणीय श्री अर्णव जी, जिस तरह से वीडियो में देखने को मिला कि महाराष्ट्र के पालघर में भगवाधारी संतों की जिस तरह से निर्मम नृशंस हत्या की गई, उसमें पुलिस की वर्दी वालों का सबसे बड़ा अपराध है कि वो लोग खुद ले जाके भीड़ के हवाले कर रहे हैं और वीडियो बना रहे हैं। वो साधु चिल्ला रहे हैं और वो भीड़ के हवाले जो है उनको ढकेल दे रहे हैं। ये पता नहीं जो पुलिस प्रशासन निर्दोषों की रक्षा और दोषियों को सजा देती रही है, वो महाराष्ट्र में उल्टा हो रहा है कि वह जो है निर्दोषों को सजा पुलिस वाले दिवा रहे हैं और दोषियों की जो है भीड़ इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं। इस पूरे मामले की सीबीआई जांच होनी ही चाहिए। इसमें महाराष्ट्र सरकार का हाथ है, महाराष्ट्र सरकार का इसमें हाथ है। किसके इशारे पर पुलिस वालों ने संतों को भीड़ के हवाले किया? यह जो है यह शिवसेना के ऊपर यह काला धब्बा है। अगर शिवसेना के अंदर कहीं भी बाला साहेब ठाकरे के अगर सिद्धांतों की अगर लाज हो, अगर इनको भगवा में जरा सा भी प्रेम हो, जरा सा भी हिंदुत्व बचा हो, और मैं तो कहता हूं हिंदुत्व नहीं, अगर मानवता बची हो, अगर इनके अंदर संवैधानिक मर्यादा का रंच मात्र भी अगर लज्जा हो, तो इसकी जो है सीबीआई जांच होनी चाहिए। किसके इशारे पर ये पुलिस की वर्दी में छिपे हुए लोगों ने
शैलेश पांडे
दो संतों को भीड़ के हवाले
शैलेश
किया।
पांडे
यह निश्चित रूप से वीडियो को देखने के बाद निष्पक्ष बोलेंगे। मैं शिवसेना से जो लोग बैठे हैं, शैलेश जी से मैं उम्मीद करता हूं आप निष्पक्ष बोलेंगे, कोई पक्षपात नहीं करेंगे। आपको हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहेब ठाकरे का शपथ दिलाता हूं, आप निष्पक्ष बोलिए।
शैलेश पांडे,
अर्नब जी, विषय ऐसा है, देखिए इस विषय पर मुझे आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही है महंत जी की। महंत
आप बोलिए।
हेलो,
वो भी सुन रहे हैं, देश सुन रहा है, बोलिए। ऑडियो क्लियर है, आप बोलिए।
नहीं, लेकिन मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है कि क्या बोल रहे हैं वो, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
मैं सवाल कर रहा हूं, ये नया वीडियो आपने देखा है, उसके बावजूद आपके सरकार ने कुछ नहीं किया, लोगों को झूठ बोला, तसल्ली देने की कोशिश की। नया वीडियो सामने है। क्या उद्धव एक्शन लेगी या वो सरकार छोड़ेगी? क्योंकि ये नए वीडियो के बाद लोगों में बहुत ज्यादा आक्रोश है। द पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री आर वेरी एंग्री नाउ। यू कैन रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट।
अर्नव जी, जो ये पालघर की घटना घटी, इसके लिए मैं जब भी आपके चैनल पर आया डिबेट के लिए, मैंने हमेशा इस घटना की कठोर शब्दों में निंदा की है और मैं निंदा करता रहूंगा, क्योंकि हमारे देश में महाराष्ट्र संतों
मुझे लेक्चर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये बताइए एनसीपी के व्यक्ति वहां पे थे, ऐसी वीडियो में एक व्यक्ति का नाम लिया जा रहा है, कहा जा रहा है, और रतन शारदा सुभाष जो हमारे साथ है, हमारे पास एक जर्नलिस्ट ने आके बोला कि इस वीडियो में, एक मिनट शैलेश जी, एक व्यक्ति का नाम बोला जा रहा है जिसमें बोल रहा है बाबा आ रहे, बाबा आला है। एक एनसीपी के नेता वहां पे मौजूद थे, एक एनसीपी के नेता मौजूद थे जब पुलिस ने होते हुए देखा, जब पुलिस के सामने ये हत्या हुई। when this murder was carried out, there was an NCP leader present there. This is the allegation.
अगर इस हत्या में कोई भी जवाब
रतन शारदा
उस पर कार्रवाई हुई है, उस पर कोर्ट में केस चल रहा है, और
ये लोग जो निंदा की बातें कर रहे हैं,
पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता
इनकी
रहे या पुलिस वाला रहे, उस पर कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई होगी।
ये जो निंदा करने के लिए आए शिवसेना वाले,
किसी भी साधु संतों की,
अरे भैया, जो शिवसेना के निंदा करने वाले लोग आए हैं, मुझे एक बात का जवाब दीजिए। जिस पुलिस के पास जिस पुलिस के पास रिपब्लिक के ऊपर नोज नए केस करने का टाइम है, चार्जशीट डालने का टाइम है, उनके पास पालघर की चार्जशीट दायर करने का टाइम नहीं था। निंदा करके क्या होगा? सारे आरोपी जो जेल में थे वो इसलिए छूटे कि आप लोगों ने चार्जशीट दायर नहीं की। आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, एविडेंस आपके पास है, चार्जशीट आप दायर नहीं करेंगे, लोग छूट जाएंगे। अरे लोग छूटे कैसे? अरे भैया आपको पता नहीं तो क्या करने आए हो? अरे इतने लोग छूट गए क्योंकि आपने चार्जशीट बराबर दायर नहीं की। आपको पता नहीं है क्या करने आते हैं। Arnab, let me tell you, these are just vacuous people come here, they know sense, they know nothing, why do they come here? They don't know anything, why do you come here, my dear friend? Please sit home, please sit home, don't come on TV when you know nothing. When you know nothing, don't come on TV.
On the debate, Ketan is on the other side with Ratan Sharda right now. Viewers, take a close look at the video.
Was it a Roman blood sport? Arnab, was it a Roman blood sport where policemen were shooting? Was it Roman blood sport that they were standing and shooing away the sadhu? Didn't they know what they are doing?
We have this countrywide law against mob lynching, and we need specialized training for policemen.
Subhash on the left.
And they died.
Where is
and they're telling.
Arnab, let me tell you that I couldn't see the video when it was circulated in the social media, WhatsApp media. I couldn't dare to see this video. Such a horrific scene. Of course, now it has been again shown after lapse of so many days. I had the occasion to see. See, there is. Please try to understand if the government really wants to do something, and the central government is in the power. I am a party. I am the one who has drafted a petition in the Supreme Court along with two other colleagues of mine. If one reads that petition, I think the central government itself must agree for investigation by the NIA, for which they are not required to seek permission of the state government. I don't understand, and this is what I have told the Supreme Court when the Solicitor General of India was representing the government of India. I told him that you please go through my petition. I've told the bench that if you read my petition, the next day when you come out, you come back, you will perhaps be making a statement on your own that let this case go to the NIA. See, the problem is galore. As you have said, the presence of NCP political leader there, and villages after villages, Arnab, you'll be shocked and horrified to know, villages after villages have been converted. The Hindu Adivasis were converted into Christianity, and then a sort of
Which
hatred is
party
created.
does the Sarpanch belong to in that village?
Just 1 second, Sarpanch की बात नहीं हो रही अभी यहाँ पर. See, villages after villages have been converted, and
तो
then
conversion का कैसे connection है इस case
they
से?
create hatred as against the Hindus, as against the sadhus, as against the saffron, and this is the result of this. So if the government really wants to do, and I think the central government must step in immediately and transfer the case to the NIA. Agree to in the Supreme Court on the next occasion. I think the petition is coming up for hearing in the next week. And the government the Union of India, the government of India must make a statement that yes, we agree to transfer the case to the NIA for the reasons stated in the petition.
Ravi.
See, there is no need to transfer to the CBI. This is not a case which is required to investigate.
This case must go to the NIA. Issue being out here, Shazia, what has not been done? And I do believe that the central government must intervene, central investigating agencies must intervene strongly. It is not the job of Republic to constantly be reminding them. The question is what has not been done. Now, if Ravi can be quiet for a while, I'll tell Shazia what has not been done. There is a cushy job which has been given to the former Palghar SP. You would have thought he would be punished. No, he's been rewarded. The former SP of Palghar area has now been given a plum posting. And we are told there is disciplinary action against the cops. Is this a disciplinary action case or an abetment of murder or murder case, Shazia? It is made to look like it's a disciplinary case.
Well, absolutely.
Please, I'm giving the full details and you're not.
Why you are talking?
I'm giving the full details, you're not.
Why don't you give the full details?
I know. What details do you have? I have the full details. Don't talk repeatedly. 1/4 of those named as accused have been arrested. This man is a liar. Ravi Srivastava is a liar. 1/4 of those named as accused have been arrested. Shazia,
About that.
there is a delay in the filing of charge sheets. Bail has been enabled. You think we don't know the cover-up in Palghar?
You know, Raviji is just a source of noise. And I want to say something important here, Raviji. Please stop being noisy and disruptive. I want to say something here. You know, Arnab, we've seen many lynchings before, and we've condemned all those lynchings. But this lynching is state supported. This is the first lynching of its kind, which is supported by the state, which has happened on the watch of the state, where the cops are watching and videographing and actually shooting the murder, the gruesome murder. Be quiet, sir. I'm not answerable to you. Just be quiet. You're just a noisy man. You add nothing of value, but you just provide noise. You know, it's pretty useless. So I just want to say this. It is very shameful. I can't watch the video. It hurts me so much, as it hurts so many of us. It's a blot on our conscience, really, that the state-supported lynching took place. And for the first time ever, something like this have we witnessed. That the cops are watching and actually feeding, like they say, no, feeding to the cops, to the mobs. So they're being fed to the mobs, and mobs are hungry for blood. They're baying for blood of these saints. And my heart bleeds to see it, and I don't think it's easy to see these videos. But I really think much more needs to be done than that has been done. The fact of the matter is that because in this country, and I'm a Muslim, I'm an Indian, but first of all, I'm a human. I'm a human being, and believe me, anybody who is even part human or is humane would cringe to see a video like this.
Ravi, while you continue to make your statements out here, let me ask a pointed question. I would want Ratan Sharda to come back on the debate. Ratan Sharda to come back on the debate with Shailesh Pandey. Ratan Sharda, my question is to Shailesh Pandey. मुझे बताइए शैलेश पांडे जी, ये कष्टकारी संगठन कौन है जिन्होंने मुझे कहा गया ये जो अक्यूज थे उनके लिए बेल करवाई? ये कष्टकारी संगठन कौन है? उनके पॉलिटिकल लीनिंग्स क्या हैं? उनके समर्थक कौन हैं? किस पार्टी का समर्थन करते हैं? ये कष्टकारी संगठन कौन है? बताइए, रतन शारदा जी को बताइए।
देखिए अर्नब जी, ये कोई भी संगठन हो,
नहीं, कष्टकारी संगठन,
ये सुनिए, तो हो सकता है वहां
कष्टकारी संगठन
स्थानिक लोगों ने मिलकर संगठन बनाई होगी वहां के। अरे लेकिन मैं क्या कहता हूँ, कोई भी संगठन हो,
कष्टकारी संगठन कौन है? तीसरी बार पूछ रहा हूँ।
लेकिन मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, कोई भी संगठन हो, अगर इसमें
कोई भी संगठन हो, मैं बोलो कष्टकारी संगठन
की है, सरकार ने कार्रवाई की है, 146 लोगों पर एफआईआर लॉन्च किया है, 8 पुलिस वाले को निलंबित किया गया है, कोर्ट में केस चल रहा है।
रतन शारदा इज ऑन द वे। रतन शारदा
जो आदिवासियों को भड़का रहा है, आपको पता है? डजंट ही नो? व्हाट डज ही नो? अर्नब यहाँ आते हैं रिपब्लिक का मुंह दिखाने के लिए, इनको पता कुछ नहीं है।
केतन इज ऑन द वे विद रतन शारदा। केतन इज ऑन द वे विद रतन शारदा। कष्टकारी संगठन क्वेश्चन
इसके नाम पर नफरत फैलाता है, अलग से पार्टी लोग धन परिवर्तन कराते हैं, सारे समाज के अंदर घृणा का वातावरण पैदा होता है। इसके कारण जब कोई मारते हैं तो आपके
My question right now is why was there Ketan is debating with Sudesh. Ketan, move away from that. I'm asking Sudesh, the question is, Ketan, listen. I feel now that this full video is out, you have to realize one thing. First of all, the Palghar issue is not going anywhere. It's coming back stronger. Okay? Second is, you thought every time an issue comes, the previous issue gets forgotten. You think when SSR comes, we forget Palghar. You think when Hathras comes, we forget SSR. It is not like that, Ketan. We have a long memory, the people have a long memory, this channel and network is a long memory. Why was it that there was a delay. Wasn't it due to the delay in filing the first charge sheet by the police in August that the Dahanu Sessions Court on Monday granted bail to 28 people in the Palghar lynching case, after which 10 accused walked free? So it is the job of the investigating agencies, Sudesh, if they are serious in this matter, to investigate the matter quickly. Now, if you delay the investigation, it's surprising. As far as Republic is concerned, no. What happens is, Ketan, 1 minute. Look at this. When they want to fix someone, look at how they act. 6th, the FIR is filed against India Today. 7th, they give a clean chit to India Today. On the 8th, the excited police commissioner comes and attacks Republic. Now he's exposed. Same Maharashtra police and Mumbai police, in the case of Palghar, takes so much time that all the accused walk free. Doesn't make sense, Sudesh.
You see, Arnab, they are trying to fix you people where there is no evidence, and here everything is recorded in a video. It's a shameful incident, and you know what Sajia was saying is correct, that this lynching cannot be compared with any other lynching. The whole state was there. They could have protected, but they have actually been complicit in this whole exercise.
So explain, apologize, Ketan, apologize for the stand that you took in this case. Apologize for the stance that you took in this case, contrary to what people know.
See, if you limit to only the video that you have
I'm not limiting it to the video.
The video is very sad, and the fact is that the police looks out of control. The crime has gone beyond their control.
It's absolutely not. No. The police, the situation, Shazia, the situation was allowed to go out of control by a complicit police, Shazia.
Arnab, calling this video, Arnab, calling this video unfortunate has got to be the biggest euphemism.
Seeing the angry crowd, the police themselves seemed outnumbered and helpless.
No, Ketan, I don't know what you're saying. Ketan, I don't know. No. We saw what police was doing. It is fairly evident to all of us.
The police is not helpless. It is relaxed and complicit. Use the correct language. Do not call it helpless. They were not helpless. Shazia is on the way. Shazia, quickly, please. Ratan Shada, I shall come to you.
You're trying to be too clever by half. It is, like calling it unfortunate or misfortune is a big euphemism. It is not correct depiction of what has happened. The state was onto it. The state was a part of it.
The state was a part of it. The state was a part of it. They thought we will not ask these questions now. Now, Ratan Sharda, there were 2,000 to 3,000 people present. Only 2% were put in judicial custody. Police officers were sacked only after the Supreme Court demanded a status report. There was a go slow in the investigation.
And remember, these people were collected after first when sadhus were taken in custody, they were collected under some kind of conspiracy. And this group of Christian missionaries, they had camera, they could shoot, they had guns, they could shoot, but no, they were shooting the film, they're shooting the lynching. They had no.
It's outrageous to give lynching communal colors. We should have an anti-lynching law. We should train our police better in handling such situations. In engaging intelligence intelligence gathering.
Subhaja, don't give homilies. Subhaja, don't give me homilies. Subhaja.
Arnab, let me tell you something. What has happened is extremely shocking, and then it writ large that there was a collusion, connivance of the police personnel with those who attacked the sadhus. And then look at what happened. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, within next half an hour to 1 hour, he appears on the television, national televisions, and make statement. This is a case of mistaken identity. The Home Minister of Maharashtra appears on the television and makes a statement that this is a case of mistaken identity. Now, if the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Home Minister of Maharashtra makes this kind of irresponsible statement, what do you expect the police to do? So the police pursued on the line of this being a case of mistaken identity, and it
is exactly like it's like Parambir coming and deciding the course of the investigation when he was giving India Today a clean chit. Please be logical out here. I bring back into the debate out here, Sudesh is on the debate. The Supreme Court slammed the Maharashtra government for the delay in the filing the Palghar report. Am I right or wrong? Ravi, tell Sudesh. Am I right or wrong? What happened on 6th August? Did the Supreme Court slam the Maharashtra government for the delay or not? Sudesh, Ravi is quiet, he can't answer. Sudesh.
We should talk about facts. No action was taken till the Supreme Court intervened. No action was taken against police. How was the charge sheet boxed up? How 28 people just came scot-free? There is no logic with the police. They wanted to save some people. And of course, there is a big conspiracy that needs to be unearthed.
Look at your Uttar Pradesh.
Whether it was done at the instance of Madam Sonia Gandhi, you are trying to create hatred for the saffron robe. You are trying to defame the entire police mechanism. How do people come to know that sadhus were coming?
We are